everyone. Welcome back everyone to my channel. Name is Sunil Verma. Today in this video, I am going to show how to solve this Rubik's cube, which is called the piramix Rubik's cube. It is shape of the pyramid. Now this is video for the beginners. For beginners, I will give you a promise and you will give you a promise. You will give you a promise. You will watch this video till it will not end. And this is video to learn how to solve the piramix Rubik's cube for beginners. And also subscribe my channel to watch my future videos. After that, I take promise that you never will forget this video moves. Or if you cannot understand, use the AS Solver application. AS Solver application is used to solve the Rubik's cube. There are many types of Rubik's cube solutions. You can download the app. I will give you the link in the description, or you can download it from your Play Store. So without wasting the time, let's go into the video. So I have scrambled this Rubik's cube. Can you see? You can also scramble it in your style, like anyways. But first thing we have to learn that take a one color. First step to solve a Rubik's cube is take one color. Like I have this red. Can you see? Red. So in this two and in this two, I will put here the red. But in this first step, you have to remember that if here is not coming, here is coming red, but here is not coming red, means you have to always do 2 times. Like I show you. There, look there. Here is my red and here is my red. So I will do like this, but in next one will not come at here. So I will push it one more time. Then look where it is. Look this and look this side. We have found it. Then we will up it. Look like this. Then do like this. Second step. Then look. Now second step. In this second step, you have to do this. They are not matching with red. There is blue, but there is yellow with red. So we have to resemble it. So first look, there is a blue and red combination one. So this one we have to take it in the blue side. Like look, here is blue, then red, and then the blue. So go on, take this blue which is with red, move it 2 times. Look, it has matched. Now up this side and then side, side, then side and down. Now look, this line is matched. This corner is anywhere forget, so this line will be the blue. Don't go on my cube. Understand on your cube. Now do like more things. Look, there is already matched yellow and red. So repeat this also. Look. Now the last one. It is done. After that, our one problem. Now there is one problem. That here and here, everywhere are not matched. So look, go on to there are two colors. Then tick like in this side. This my this is rotating, so you can always is this. This is it will rotate, but you don't have to understand on the camera. Understand on the cube. So this will be your rotating because it will rotate. Understand? After that, we will take this up, up, side, two times. No, sorry. One time, then down. Oh, sorry. One second. So, take this up like this. Move it two times. Down, side, up. Oh, what problem has this cube? Now, take this. Move it one time. Down. Then look. One more time you have to do this. Up. One time. Down. One time. Up. Then look. Now there are two steps. In many cubes, in this camera it is shown. But I will tell you how to solve this problem. We cannot twist like this. We have to twist like this and this. Look, it should be here and it should be here. And one more problem. It should be here. It should be here and it should be here. Now I will tell you how to solve this problem. So this blue or this one, take it this side, then one more time, up, up. Then it has come side this, up, and look, our four pyramids. Now I show you full video. One second, I scramble. Now I show you how do I solve this. In first, 1, 2, 3, start. Now I will also solve this problem. Oh, has fallen. Sorry. One more time. Wow. Sorry, one. Oh, what is this with this cube? Oh. Sorry, actually, this you has some problem, so it is not working very 20. Oh, what happened to this cube? One second. Look. Now last step I am doing. Only last step, and then our Rubik. So in this video's end, I've showed you all these steps. Please understand this video and also learn, so you will so you can also solve this piramix. So in next video I will show you how to solve this Rubik's cube fastly live. I will show you, and in after the video I will show you in next video. After next video and next video I will show you how my time is. So for now, bye bye.